Cleaning and maintaining cast iron cookware is not as hard as you might think. Cast iron has been around a long time, and there's really only two things to keep in mind. One, it's hand wash only. Don't put it in the dishwasher. And two, it's gonna be okay. Even if you mess up the seasoning a little bit, you can always bring it back. Maiden's cast iron skillets look like this out of the box. They're this beautiful bronze color, and they come with a few layers of oil already baked in for your first seasoning. But as you start to cook with them over time, they're going to get darker as that seasoning builds up. Just something to keep in mind when you're washing cast iron that makes it different from something like stainless steel is that you're trying to maintain and build that seasoning over time. If you want to use a little bit of mild soap on your cast iron cookware, it's okay. And if you don't want to, that's also okay. You can make that decision for yourself. I'm gonna show you how to do it either way. For my first pan, I just cooked some eggs in here. This should come out very easily. I'm gonna take this over to the sink and just use my brush. You could use a little soap here if you wanted to. It's totally up to you. All I needed was a little hot water and the brush to get this clean. Now I'm gonna go dry it out. Soap's not really the enemy of cast iron, but moisture is. So every time I wash it, I like to heat it up on the stovetop and get it really, really, really dry. Once that is dry, let it cool down, you can put it away. But I am still building up the seasoning on this pan, and I like to season my pans every time I use them. Off heat, I'm just gonna add a little bit of seasoning wax. You can also use a high smoke point oil. And you wanna rub that around a really, really light layer on the inside and on the outside of the pan. Adding a layer of wax or oil to the inside and the outside of the pan will help protect against rust while it's stored. But if you heat that, then that helps to build your seasoning. I'm gonna put this over medium heat and then raise that heat up to high and wait for it to start to smoke, and then I know that layer of seasoning is done. Let this cool down before you put it away, or just leave it out until your next meal. This one is a little messier than the first one. It's got some, I think, ground beef kind of burnt on here. First, I'm gonna scrape out the extra oil and any food particles. Okay, I'm putting a little water in here. I'm gonna use my chainmail style scrubber. If things are really stuck, you can even heat up this water to help lift things off the surface. Okay, to the sink. Hot water again. You could use a couple drops of soap here, or I'm actually gonna make a paste of kosher salt and water to kind of scrub away whatever's left on there. And it just kind of exfoliates the surface of your pan. One more rinse. And again, we're just going to make sure it's really, really dry. You never wanna leave your pan soaking in the sink for too long, and you always wanna make sure it's really dry before you put it away to help prevent rust. Cleaning cast iron is actually pretty easy, and if you've been on the fence about whether or not to try cast iron, I hope this video gave you the confidence to give it a try. It's really a wonderful material to cook on. It's only gonna get more seasoned and more nonstick over time, and this type of pan is gonna last you decades, if not generations. Just remember, if you mess up your cast iron, it's gonna be okay. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments. If you always use soap, let me know. If you never use soap, let me know. I'm Rhoda from Maiden. Thanks for cooking with me, and I'll see you next time.